Hello everyone, welcome back to Bliss Degree. Today will be another short vlog, just a little peek into my day. I started the morning by dropping off the kids at school. After that, I headed back home and got straight to work, crocheting and packing orders. I finished a few of the baby Demogorgon plushies and got them posted on my Etsy store, which felt so satisfying. Later on, I ran out to Michael's to pick up more yarn for the Demogorgon, then made a stop at the post office to drop off all the packages. To make the most of my time, I even did a little crocheting in the car while waiting to pick up the kids from school. And that's it for today's vlog. Thanks so much for spending a little part of your day with me. If you enjoyed this short vlog, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.